I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Cherie. I have been a single mom for over 18 years to 3 beautiful daughters. I've struggled financially for most of my life. The pressure that I felt being a single parent, I was extremely overwhelmed. I was depressed and I was broke, working for a boss and constantly working salary to salary and just not being able to make ends meet. And I want to share with you honestly from the heart why I am doing digital marketing, why I have said yes to this business, and why I am so passionate about reaching out to as many people as I can to show them this opportunity. I was retrenched and let go of my job in April this year, and then I got and secured a half-day position, which was then made redundant a couple of weeks ago. So I became a full-time digital marketing entrepreneur. My mission is to help parents, single moms, stay-at-home parents, those that have become unemployed recently, and those that just can't find work, to create passive and multiple income streams online. I want to show you how to leverage social media in order to make money online daily, dedicating just 2 hours a day to your business so that you can grow it, be consistent, and have a fully automated business that works 24/7 for you. My aim is to tell as many people as possible about this business opportunity that has completely changed my life. If I can do it, so can you. I want to show you that there is a way to relieve pressure, that there is a way to become financially abundant, and this business opportunity has done exactly that for me. Put ready in the comments if you'd love to find out further information. I'd love to share with you.